So, I've been lonely most of my life. Yes, I do want to become a mother again. I do not receive any kind of child support from my ex husband. Hi, I'm Tanya Mehra, also known as Tansy Mommy on Instagram. I am divorced and I'm a single mom. Hi, mommies. We finally. Obviously, I did not foresee that I will get divorced down the line. And when I did, and now that I'm raising a child, my child on my own, yes, I do want to become a mother again. I want Noor to have another sibling. And I think coming here makes me realize that why do I need a man now to live that dream? I can make my own happy family, right?
Oh, but man notice you don't know anything.
I do not receive any kind of child support from my ex husband. So, whatever and however I am raising my child is only primarily from my own hard earned money. My heart kind of goes out and I want to have another baby. So, yes, that's on the cards. And however it works, but yeah. So, I think the biggest drawback of all of this, of just being a single parent, is that it's very difficult to go out. If there's a work trip or an event at night, a party, I can't go unless, I have to make like so many calls. I have to call my parents, I have to call my friends and check with them if someone can come home, take care of Noor. And ultimately, I cancel, say, 7 out of 10 because people are also not available all the time and I cannot push them or force them because ultimately it's my work. So, I've been lonely most of my life and I've always prayed for like a permanent companion, someone who loves me for who I am, who likes to be with me on their own, by their own choice. And after Noor was born, I think the kind of love I experienced, I got everything from her. And she is that partner I was craving for all my life. And I didn't realize that that would come from a child. The purest form of love without any conditions. She finds me so beautiful. She'll come to me and she'll say, Mama, you're looking so beautiful. And just hearing that from her, I do not want any compliment from anyone. And she is so enough for me. And it's like, she's always around me, always wanting me. And I love that feeling. And I think every mother out there can understand this, I'm sure, that loving a mother, having a child, that kind of love, you can never find it anywhere else.